Want to see expert pick recommendation before setting up your lineup in the NFL Fantasy app? Here's how to find them. Open the NFL Fantasy app and tap into your league. From the team page, look at the starting lineup or bench players. Under each player, you'll notice small insights like projections and matchup notes. If an expert recommendation is available, you'll see a start bench suggestion powered by NFL Fantasy Analyst. These are based on player matchup, recent performance, and projected points. For a deeper look, tap on a player's name. In their profile, scroll down to Analysis or Expert Advice section. Here you'll find start, sit recommendation, expert notes, and projections to help guide your decision. That's it. Now you know how to view expert pick recommendation right inside the NFL Fantasy app. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.